Hi, it's Daniel from WPSocial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the SEO Booster plugin. After you install the plugin, you are going to see a message at the top of the dashboard because the plugin needs some information to work properly, and for that, we are going to the settings page of the plugin. As you can see, we are on the SEO Booster settings page, and here we need to enter some information. First and most important is the Facebook admins, so that's your Facebook account ID, and this will enable Facebook Insights. So you will get all the information about your shares and likes and all the Facebook integration for your site and for every page. If you don't know what your ID is, you can copy the link here from this one and then just paste it into the browser and replace username with your name. With my profile it's dwaser, and like that I'm getting the information about my account. You can see here this is the ID, so this is what we need to copy into our plugin. I'm going to do that again, and then we save changes. All the other information are optional. The first one are for the Open Graph integration. Open Graph is used by Facebook, and these are the information which are taken from Facebook when someone shares your post, your page, your site or whatever, and then the icon, the image, the description, the title, and everything you can see on Facebook will be taken from the Open Graph meta tags. In this value, always use this image. You can enter an URL to an image, and if you enter one, then the plugin will always take the same image. It will always take that one. If you enter a default image, then the plugin will first check if you have an image within your content, and if it can't find any image within your content, then it will take the default image. It's not the same way it always uses image. If you enter an image here, then it will always take that one. It doesn't look for another image. Then the default content type you can choose from the drop down. That's depending on your site. Facebook changed a lot with the content type, so every content type is about the same, and then just take the one which describes most your website. Here we have some homepage settings. You can enter some specific title, description, and an image for your homepage, but this will only be taken if you have a post for your homepage and not a static homepage. If you use an SEO plugin, or if your team does support some SEO features for the homepage, then the plugin will automatically take that one. You don't need to fill out the information here. For the other settings on that page, we will look a bit later for the Google Autoship markup settings. Excuse me. So right now we have done all the Open Graph, then we are going to save changes. And now if we add a post or a page or a custom post type, that doesn't matter really, then we will see the WPSocial SEO Booster meta box right here. And right now we are going to look at the Open Graph again. Here you can enter custom title for that post, a description, an image, the content type. Maybe sometimes it's something else than just an article. Then if you use a video, then you can enter the video URL here, because then Facebook will recognize that better when people are sharing your videos, and then just give it, enter the height, the width, and the same for the audio. And if you have several Facebook application, or maybe you have some guest writers and they want to use their own Facebook admin ID to see how this page is being shared, then they also can enter their Facebook ID here. Or if you want to use another app, you can do the same here. You can use a custom one. You don't need this will always override the default settings from the settings page, all the settings here within the meta box. If you have, for example, an SEO plugin like the WordPress SEO by Yoast, then if you entered some information into the SEO title or meta description, then the plugin will take that automatically. Then you don't need to fill out something here. Or you may want to do that if you want to use some more marketing specific title and description for Facebook or for other social sharing sites when visitors are going to share your content. That's it already about the Open Graph integration. Don't do not underestimate the Open Graph integration. It really is important. All the social sharing sites like Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus, or all the other ones, they are looking at the Open Graph meta tags, and if they can find some information there, then they will use it when your visitors share your content. If you really take the time and fill out all the information for the Open Graph, then it will look much nicer on the social network sites when users are going to share your content, and it's much more likely that you will receive some traffic back to your site than if it looks a bit ugly or not very well organized. When they share it, then not so many people will click on it like if it looks really nice. Okay, that's it for the Open Graph. In the next video I'm going to show you how to use all the other features we have built into the SEO plugin.